Hello? Hello?
You? What are you doing here? Actually, madam, I came here to ask that what you will have in food. How many times I have told you that don't come in my room at this time? Ma'am, I came here for you. Your friend didn't come, na? That's why I came here. Whether someone is coming or not, but you can't enter in my room without my permission. Yes, madam. I'll remember this.
What is this maid doing here?
Nothing. But where were you? I've been waiting for you since so long. I fell asleep while waiting for you.
Sorry, man. There was a lot of workload in the office. That's why I got late.
Then you tell me I'm not giving you time. Now I'm giving you time, so you don't come on time?
I know. It's my fault. It won't happen again. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, I want to say you something. Tell me. You both are doing so wrong with sir. He trusts you a lot and you're cheating on him. Now a maid will tell me what I have to do, what not. Sir loves you a lot. He has given you so good life that whatever you say, he bring it for you. And you, with this guy, you're cheating on him.
So now you will explain to us being a maid. Don't forget that you are just a maid. Stay in your limits and talk to us. You got it? And Sora, how dare she talk to us like this?
Yes, she is flying so much. I am not flying. If sir will come to know, na, you will be of nowhere. And if sir will ask me, I won't be able to lie.
Are you threatening us?
I'm not threatening you. I'm just saying true. What will happen with us? We will see that. And you, right now, get lost from my home. And no need to come back to work. Yes, I will go, madam. I will get work somewhere or other. But if sir will come to know, na, and if he will leave you won't get again good person like sir. I will never find. Look at him. Look, he loves me more than Sanju. I will live with him. But you, come on, get lost from my home. Okay, I'm going.
You are giving us advice. Just get out of here. Times has changed. Even the housekeepers are talking so much these days, man.
Yes, but Sagar, I'm afraid if she will tell this to Sanju, then
So what? I'm with you. I'll be always be with you. Don't worry.
but we enjoy with his money only now.
Come on, Swara. He hasn't found out for 2 years. How will you find out now? You don't worry. I'm with you. I'll take care of everything.
Fine.
Good afternoon.
Sanju, how you came here?
How? This is my house. I came to my home. Who is he?
This, actually, he is my cousin.
Your cousin. Hey, come here. He is your cousin. And I don't know about him.
Actually, he is.
Shut up. You tell me. Now that I know about you two, I won't keep her with me. So, will you keep her with you? No. I won't keep her with me. Why won't you? If you don't keep her, where will she go? I don't know where she'll go. I used to run my expense on her money. I don't have any money myself. How will I manage her expenses? I can't keep her with me. If you don't keep her, will she stay on the road? I don't know if she stays on the road or anywhere. I didn't come to this house on my own. She used to call me. That's why I used to come. I won't come here again. Hey! Your lover is gone. Where will you go now?
Sanju, the way you're thinking, there is nothing like that. I love you and I will always live with you.
But you said that if I get to know, you will stay with Sagar. He loves you a lot.
When I said all this,
You check your phone.
call? When I called you?
You forget it. I am working day and night to give you a comfortable life. I come home every other day. I don't sleep or eat properly. And you are giving me this in return. Betrayal.
No, Sanju, I did mistake. Please forgive me. Now, however you will keep me, I will live that way.
It's not your mistake. It's my mistake. That I never stopped you. I never asked you anything. Whatever you said, I agreed. I did over. And if you give someone more value than their worth, then they don't value it. You do one thing. Get out of my house and live with whoever you want to live with.
Sanju, what are you saying this? Where will I go? There is no one of me except you.
Hey, you told the maid, right? You were very happy that Sagar will keep me. Now I will see. How will he keep you and where will he keep you?
Sanju, I don't want to live with him. Please.
Look, don't make me angry. If I get angry, it won't be good for you. You go away from here quietly.